Most people get digital wallets in Mexico completely wrong. And that mistake quietly costs them money every single week. Hidden fees, slow transfers, and missed cashback opportunities add up faster than you think. Here's the truth no one tells you. In Mexico, digital payments are evolving fast, and the right wallet can completely change how you send, receive, and spend money. Quick promise. In this video, you will discover the 10 best digital wallets in Mexico for 2026. You will learn which apps help you save money, which ones give real rewards, which ones work best with SPI transfers, and which wallets are actually worth using in daily life. By the end, you will know exactly which wallet fits your needs, whether you are a student, freelancer, business owner, or just someone trying to avoid unnecessary banking fees. Now here's where it gets interesting. Mexico is not just moving toward digital payments. It is already deeply connected to instant banking systems like SPI, QR-based payments, and mobile-first financial services. That means digital wallets here are not optional anymore. They are becoming the main way people move money. But here's the problem. Most people only use one wallet and assume it does everything. That is where they lose money. Because in Mexico, different wallets serve different purposes. Some are built for cashback. Some are built for transfers. Some are built for businesses. And some are built for international use. So let's break everything down clearly, step by step, so you can choose the right ones without confusion. First, you need to understand SPI. SPI is Mexico's real-time interbank transfer system. It allows instant money transfers between banks, usually within seconds. Most digital wallets in Mexico connect to SPI, which is why payments feel fast and seamless. But here's where most people fail. They assume speed is the only factor. In reality, the real difference between wallets is fees, rewards, usability, and ecosystem benefits. Now let's go into the first major digital wallet in Mexico. Number 1 is Mercado Pago. Mercado Pago is one of the most powerful fintech platforms in Latin America. It is part of Mercado Libre, the largest e-commerce platform in the region. Now here's why this matters. Mercado Pago is not just a wallet. It is a complete financial ecosystem connected to online shopping, payments, QR transactions, and even merchant services. Imagine someone like Alex living in Mexico City. He shops on Mercado Libre, pays at local stores using QR codes, and even receives payments for freelance work through Mercado Pago. Now here's where it gets interesting. Mercado Pago often offers promotions, cashback, and even investment options depending on your usage level. Some users even earn interest on stored balances. But here's the catch. The biggest rewards usually come when you actively use the Mercado ecosystem. If you only use it occasionally, you may not see the full benefits. Still, for everyday payments and e-commerce integration, Mercado Pago is one of the strongest wallets in Mexico. Now let's move to number 2. Coti. Coti is not a traditional wallet. It is a payment system created by the Bank of Mexico. Now here's what makes Coti unique. It is built directly into banking apps and allows QR-based payments and instant transfers through SPI. Let's say Jake is buying coffee in Guadalajara. Instead of cash or card, he scans a QR code using Coti and pays instantly from his bank account. But here's the problem. Coti adoption is still growing. Not every merchant actively uses it yet. So while it is powerful, it is not universally accepted. Still, Coti is one of the most important systems shaping Mexico's cashless future. Now let's move to number 3. BBVA Mexico App by Dutch. BBVA is one of the largest banks in Mexico, and its mobile app is extremely popular. Now here's where it gets interesting. BBVA Mexico combines traditional banking with modern digital features like instant transfers, bill payments, and investment tools. John, a salaried worker in Monterrey, uses BBVA for everything. His salary comes in, he pays bills, and he transfers money instantly using SPI. But here's the key insight. BBVA is not a cashback-focused wallet. It is designed for stability, reliability, and full banking control. So if you want a strong, all-in-one banking experience, BBVA is a top choice. Now let's move to number 4. Citibanamex Mobile. Citibanamex is another major bank in Mexico with a strong digital platform. Now here's where it gets interesting. Citibanamex focuses heavily on credit cards, rewards programs, and structured banking services. For example, Alex uses Citibanamex credit cards for shopping and earns points that can be redeemed for travel or discounts. But here's the limitation. The app is more traditional compared to fintech wallets. It is powerful, but not as flexible in everyday peer-to-peer payments. Still, for credit-based rewards, Citibanamex is very strong. Now let's move to number 5. New Mexico Tao. Andamsanes Contierans. New Mexico is the Mexican branch of Nubank, one of the largest digital banks in Latin America. Now here's why it matters. Nu is fully digital, meaning no physical branches, no complicated paperwork, and a very simple user experience. Jake uses Nu to manage his spending because everything is transparent. No hidden fees, no confusing terms. Now here's where it gets interesting. Nu often offers clear interest rates on savings and easy credit access, without traditional banking friction. But here's the catch. It is still expanding features in Mexico, so some advanced services are evolving over time. Still, for simplicity and transparency, Nu is one of the best modern options. Now let's move to number 6. Story Dentor. Story is a fast-growing digital credit and wallet platform in Mexico. Now here's what makes it unique. It focuses on helping users build credit history, while also providing a digital wallet experience. John, who previously had no credit score, uses Story to build financial credibility step by step. But here's the problem. Credit-building platforms require responsible usage. If not managed properly, they can lead to debt issues. Still, Story is extremely useful for financial beginners in Mexico. Now let's move to number 7. OXXO Pay and Spin by OXXO. OXXO is everywhere in Mexico. And Spin by OXXO is its digital wallet system. Now here's where it gets interesting. Since OXXO stores exist across the country, this wallet bridges cash users into digital payments. Alex loads money into his Spin wallet at an OXXO store, and then uses it for online shopping and transfers. But here's the limitation. It is more useful for cash-to-digital conversion, rather than advanced financial features. Still, for accessibility, it is extremely powerful. Now, let's move to number 8. Mercado Crédito. This is an extension of Mercado Pago that focuses on credit services. Now here's what makes it interesting. Users who actively use Mercado Pago can access microloans and credit lines directly in the app. Jake uses Mercado Crédito to manage short-term expenses and repay them within flexible terms. But here's the catch. Credit depends heavily on your usage history. Now let's move to number 9. Wise. Wise is a global wallet widely used in Mexico for international transfers. Now here's why it matters. If you receive money from abroad, Wise offers better exchange rates compared to traditional banks. John, a freelancer working with us clients, uses Wise to receive payments in dollars and convert them at low fees. But here's the limitation. It is not designed for everyday local payments. Still, for international users, Wise is essential. Finally, number 10. PayPal Mexico. PayPal is still widely used for online shopping and international payments. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many global platforms and freelance marketplaces rely on PayPal for payments. Alex uses PayPal to receive payments from international clients and then transfers funds locally. But here's the problem. PayPal fees can be higher compared to local alternatives like SPI-based transfers. So it is powerful, but not always the cheapest option. Now let's bring everything together so you can make the right decision. If you want cashback and e-commerce integration, use Mercado Pago. If you want government-backed QR payments, Cody is essential. If you want traditional banking, BBVA or Citibanamex are strong choices. If you want simplicity, New Mexico is ideal. If you want credit building, Story is useful. If you want cash accessibility, Spin by OXXO is powerful. If you deal with international money, Wise and PayPal are necessary tools. Here's the final insight most people miss. The best users in Mexico do not rely on just one wallet. They combine 2 or 3 depending on spending, saving, and international needs. Now you understand how the entire system works. If this helped you understand digital wallets in Mexico clearly, make sure to like the video, leave a comment with your favorite wallet, and subscribe for more simple financial guides that break down real money systems in a clear and practical way.